Hello, bonjour! Today I will teach you a low energy density food smoothie. Why low energy density foods in my smoothie? Because it is high in fiber and water. It fills your stomach. It promotes a feeling of fullness and satisfaction. And you consume less calories while you still feel satiated. And it's nutrient dense with loads of vitamins and minerals and polyphenols and, all the good things. Ready to go? Let's start. So, of course, we use our dear blender on our scale, zero the scale. Here we go. And we start with the lemon juice. So lemon juice, we put 40 grams. And why we start with the lemon juice? Because the next ingredient is chia seeds. And it needs to be in a liquid to activate, right? So I have 3 grams here of the chia seed. Move it around a little bit. While we keep adding the other ingredients, it will activate. It's important that the chia is activated before you ingest it, because otherwise it's going to expand in your stomach. That's not where you want it to expand. We want it to expand before it hits your stomach. Okay, and the next ingredient is the celery, and we need 50 grams. So we are now at 93. And I have 97, so I'm quite happy with that. I'll go with that. The next one is cucumbers, or you can also use fennel if you like. And we have the same quantity. We have 50 grams as well. So let's just see. I need a little bit more. There you go, 144. I'm happy with that. Then I continue with the edamame. Protein, of course, right? And then we need 50 grams, so 193. And the next ingredient is the avocado. And we need to have 20 grams. And you know the avocado, when you push the end here and your thumb gives in, it means that it's ready. Let's see what we have. It's always a surprise. Woo, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So we need 20 grams of the avocado, and that's about that. A little over, but that's good. Then the next ingredient is the parsley, 10 grams. So that brings us to 223. That's what I have. And then cilantro, 10 grams as well. So 233, there we go. And then we add ginger, 5 grams. I'll just put it on the side to measure it. And there we go. Perfect. And the next ingredient is the sea moss. And I'm using, I make my gel, and I freeze it in little heart shape. So I'm using one of those, but you can also use half a teaspoon of the powder. It's Nourish, right? The best, the best, the best. Okay, and the next ingredient is the hemp hearts here, and we have 5 grams of that. So there we go, perfect, which is about half a teaspoon, half a tablespoon. And then we add greens. Greens, we add 50 grams of greens. And you'll see why I wait at the end to do the greens, because it takes so much room and it doesn't weigh much. So there we go. We had our greens. And, you can take any greens. You can add kale as well. And excellent. And then we add 500 grams of water. There we are, and my lid is here, and we blend. And here we are. Let's just see. It's a beautiful color. It looks like it's the perfect texture. Yes, it is. See how creamy it is? Oh my gosh. It's creamy, but it's not too thick. Santé. Oh, So good. So good. And again, why do I weigh everything? Because I get the right texture. I'm sure you've done that at home, right? You start your smoothie and then it needs water. You had water and then there's too much water and then it's wrong and then the taste is wrong and then you don't like it and then you don't keep drinking it. But when you do it this way, it's always the best. Love food that loves you back. See you in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Thanks.